Now we learn about the second lesson, the fisherman and his wife. Now I read the lesson. You listen and observe carefully. The fisherman and his wife. One day the fisherman went to the sea to catch fish. He sat there for a long time but could not catch any fish. He grew anxious. He thought his wife would get angry if he did not take any fish home. After a long wait, he caught a very big fish. He was impressed to find that the fish could talk. The fish said, "I beg you, spare my life today, and for your kindness I'll repay." The fisherman let the fish go. He ran home and told the strange episode to his wife. His wife shouted at him and called him a fool. She told him that if the fish could talk, it could work magic. She asked him to go back to the sea and ask the fish to grant his wish. The fisherman agreed to go back. He asked his wife what wish he should ask the fish. The wife said that he should ask for a big house with furniture, a garden and a hen house, etc. The fisherman went to the sea and called out loudly to the fish, "Fish, fish, are you still here?" Immediately the waves surged and roared and the fish appeared. It asked the fisherman what the matter was. The fisherman told her about his wife's wishes. The fish swam a little further and said, "As I am a magic fish, this time I grant your wish." Saying so, the fisherman disappeared. The fisherman returned and found a fine house in place of his hut. It was a beautiful and comfortable house with suitable furniture. The fisherman was quite happy. His wife remained satisfied for some days. Then she started complaining again. This time she wished for a castle with towers, servants and a drawbridge in front of it. She also wanted many servants in front of her to take to the orders. The fisherman tried to pacify her by saying that they were living in a much better house than the other fisherman was. But his wife started shouting. She asked him to go once again to the fish and wish for the castle. Once again the fisherman went to the sea and called out the magic fish. The fish appeared again. The fisherman asked for the castle. The fish said, "Well, as I am a magic fish, once again I will grant your wish." Now I complete the lesson. You practice 3-4 times. Now I explain the meanings and opposites of this lesson. Listen carefully. Anxious, feeling worried. Impress, feel admiration. Let, permit or allow. Strange, surprisingly new. Episode, an event. Shout, say angrily and loudly. Surge, to move quickly and with force. Castle, a large, strong building built by kings. Opposites. Let, prevent, back, front, grant, refuse, suitable, unfit, beautiful, ugly, happy, unhappy, want, abundance. You write the meanings and opposites in your notebooks and learn it. After we will complete the lesson in the next class. Thank you for